Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge 2007 Toyota Camry AC Easy method. Begin by confirming low refrigerant using vent temperature and airflow checks, then park the car on level ground and turn the engine off. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and relieve system pressure following manufacturer safety steps. Connect a gauge set to the low side port, evacuate air with a vacuum pump if needed, and add R134A slowly while monitoring pressure. Next, run the engine and set the A/C controls to the coldest setting and highest fan speed so the system cycles under load. Attach the can tap and open the valve briefly to pulse refrigerant while watching gauge readings and vent temperature. Avoid overfilling by pausing to allow pressures to stabilize, and recheck vent coldness, aiming for steady cold air and proper low side pressure recommended for vehicle size. Safety matters. Always use R134A for the 2007 Camry and never mix refrigerant types, because mixing can damage the system. Fix any visible leaks like cracked hoses, loose fittings, or oil stains before charging to prevent repeat work. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep hands and eyes protected. If you detect strong odors or unusual noises, stop and seek professional help to avoid harm and ensure a proper long-term repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.